What I wish I knew before fumbling with my Silverado's Bluetooth for 20 minutes? Turns out the fix is usually simple. Let's get you connected again. Bluetooth issues in the Chevy Silverado are super common. Here's a quick step-by-step to get you back on track. Step 1. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is switched on and check if it's already paired to another device. If it is, disconnect from the other device first. Step 2. On your Silverado's infotainment screen, tap Settings, then Bluetooth. If your phone is listed but not connecting, tap Forget Device on both your phone and the truck. Step 3. Restart both your phone and the Silverado's infotainment system. Sometimes a simple reboot is all it takes. Step 4. Repair your phone. On the truck's screen, select Add New Device. Then on your phone, look for your Silverado's name and tap to connect. Enter the pairing code if prompted. Still not working? Check for software updates on both your phone and the Silverado, or try a different phone to rule out device issues. If you're still stuck, your dealer's service department can help. Don't let a Bluetooth hiccup ruin your drive. Most issues have a quick fix.